Before I begin yarn you the 5 strategic missteps, the 5 errors wey the People's Democratic Party make wey come make the All Progressive Congress win the governorship election wey happen for inside Edo State. I wan first give you small highlights on how the thing take play. You know say on the evening of Sunday wey be the 22nd day of September for inside this year 2024, the Independent National Electoral Commission be INEC dem declare Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the candidate of the All Progressive Congress (APC) as the winner of the Edo State governorship election. And Oga Monday Okpebholo secure 291,667 votes. Im use am take defeat Oga Asuen Ighodalo of the People's Democratic Party wey come second with 247,274 votes. And even before INEC make the announcement, the PDP don already dey kick against the result. They say dem don rig the exercise already. So those kind of things normally e no make sense. But just like how every other elections dey be for inside the country, Nigeria, this one wey happen for inside Edo State, e dey come with drama and controversy. And e dey sponsored and brought to us by the outgoing governor wey be Godwin Obaseki, plus the candidates, plus the political parties and the Edo State people. Now as I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the People's Democratic Party dey yarn dey give theirself plus the general public say if to say they no rig this election, na them for win the exercise. But however, several other reasons contribute to the victory of the All Progressive Congress. Now beside the allegation of rigging, Obaseki in fight too many battles ahead of the election. That is, before this election come board, the man dey enter from one quarter to the other. And some of him political enemies they come vow say they go work against them for inside the Edo State governorship election. Now make I proceed onto the 5 misstep, onto the 5 errors where the People's Democratic Party make we can make APC win for this Edo State governorship election. Number 1, now the quarter where Governor Obaseki gets with Philip Shaibu. No say Philip Shaibu na the deputy governor of Edo State, and him na one of the first group of politicians wey comot body from the All Progressive Congress, then come join forces with the People's Democratic Party to make sure say Godwin Obaseki win second term for inside the year 2020. Now you see this man will be Philip Shaibu. So in his support for Godwin Obaseki, he openly insults Adams Oshomole, wey be the former governor of the state, wey in dey often describe as a political father. Now make we fast forward to the year 2024. No say that bridge wey connect the governor and him deputy together, e come turn out to be the seed of their separation. As Godwin Obaseki tenure now dey round off, Oga Philip Shaibu come dey prepare to take over from Godwin Obaseki. But im boss wey be Obaseki, e get other plans, and that other plans na come bring quarter between the both of them. When Godwin Obaseki don see am say Philip Shaibu wan become governor of the state, he come press button wey come lead to the impeachment of the deputy governor. But the court last come still reinstate Philip Shaibu as the deputy governor of Edo State. Now based on say the thing pepper Oga Philip Shaibu well, the humiliation, the suffer and everything wey him go through for Obaseki, e come make Philip Shaibu come vow say he go work against the People's Democratic Party, and that na the exact thing wey him do for inside the governorship election. The deputy governor deliver in local government to the All Progressive Congress, and that one na come scatter the hopes of Asuen Ighodalo. And the number 2 reason wetin make PDP lose for the election na Godwin Obaseki fight wey him get with the palace. You know say the stool of Oba of Benin, e dey remain one of the revered thrones wey dey for inside the Nigerian traditional institution. The people of Edo State, they respect the throne no be small, and their adoration of their royal fathers, it cannot be disputed. But unfortunately, Godwin Obaseki, either by omission or commission, he can go get quarter with the Benin traditional institution. That na come make Godwin Obaseki come ban Okagele wey be youth leaders for inside Edo Kingdom. The governor come dey yarn say in reason for banning the youth group say na part of im effort to tackle cultism for inside the state. But the palace reject that a move. The palace no like that declaration wey he make, say Okageles dey represent a segment of the age-long Benin traditional administrative structure. So the thing no fit end like that. Now, as the palace they try to protect the tradition, the Edo State government they insist say Okageles them they pose the most severe threat to the security and stability of the state. Dat episode now come trigger a cold war between the palace and the state government. Then number 3 na the alleged betrayal of the legacy PDP members. You know say e get one quote abi one saying wey dey yarn say politics na game of numbers and cannot be discounted. But however, my good people, when dem say numbers, they no normally mean the amount of voters, but they dey talk about influential party members and stakeholders, those men now wey get connection. You know say for inside we country Nigeria, political structures dem build am around political figures and strong party members wey dey use their influence to take convince and canvass the country people to vote for their candidates wey dem dey support. And traditionally, Edo State na a stronghold of the People's Democratic Party. Na why even when the APC dem take over the state for inside the year 2008, e dey very much easy for Godwin Obaseki to take am back from the APC with the support of the legacy PDP members and Nyesom Wike. But unfortunately, Obaseki come lost the support of the group wey dey led by Dan Obi. Then the number 4 reason na the narrative against Asuen Ighodalo. Now, whether the PDP like it or not, the narrative be say Asuen Ighodalo no be homeboy, and that contribute to im defeat. No say the 3 candidates now, dem get negative narratives wey dey against their personality to hurt their chances in this election. The narrative against Olumide Akpata of the Labour Party na in Yoruba name. Then the narrative against Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be say he don dey inside Edo State politics for over 2 decades. He own about the poor command of English language. APC dey do a campaign. This man come outside dey yarn say im dey promise Edo State people insecurity. Just imagine. The APC later come outside dey yarn say na mistake im dey talk am. But that one na a narrative. Then unfortunately for Asuen Ighodalo, despite the massive popularity wey this man get, the opposition come dey portray the man as an anointed successor wey no fit speak the language of the people wey im dey seek to govern. That now come injure im political chances. Then the number 5 reason for PDP their loss na Godwin Obaseki non-existent political clout. You know say being a governor is one thing, then having political clout to pull and sway things in your favor na another thing. This election we just finish so for inside Edo State, e dey show say Godwin Obaseki na ordinary governor na im be. Before the election day go even reach, Oga Godwin Obaseki don already strip himself of his support structures through the many battles wey im get with im deputy and other political stakeholders. And Godwin Obaseki im true enjoy the support of Adams Oshiomhole and Nyesom Wike as dem help am to take secure im first and second term tickets. But however, my good people, Godwin Obaseki failure to put his preferred candidates into the Edo State government house, e dey speak volume about his lack of political clout. So that, my good people, na the information wey I make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first get the updates and you go receive them sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit information for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.